Hello and welcome. Happy Lunar New Year of 2025 to those who celebrate. The Lunar New Year is a representation of prosperity, transformation, and courage. It's celebrated on January 29th here in the USA. The animal for this Lunar New Year is the snake. And as we all know, snakes shed their skin at some point in time. If we translate that to us humans, you can also use this year to maybe shed some old habits, get rid of those old habits that aren't serving you anymore, and incorporate some new ones. I'm really happy about 2025, and I'm also really excited about today's painting. I am working on a 16 by 20 inch canvas today from Michaels. I am going to be using red, which is representing this new year. Add some gold, white, black, and that's just like a yellow-ish color that was left over from previous paints. So I'm going to go ahead and let you enjoy this video, and I will talk to you again during the wet result. dry. I don't know if you guys can see how glossy it is, and I honestly do not know what is making it that glossy. I did buy some Liquitex Gloss Medium from Michael's my last trip inside, and I think that's what's making it glossy. But I did not add any to the black though. So it could be in the other colors that I used. I'm just not really sure. I can actually move it. I'm not at all disappointed with the gloss, but I mean, the way this is sitting on top of the canvas, like the composition, it's so pretty. Like it almost looks 3D. Yeah, that's really cool. But I love the colors, of course. The composition is exactly what I wanted. I love that I went back in with the remaining paint that was at the bottom of that cup and poured in between there. Yeah, that's really pretty. So I would say can't wait to see how it dries, but it's already dry. So I do have those colors left over, but I'm just gonna start working on smaller canvases because I do have a craft show coming up in a couple weeks. So I want to get prepared for that. But you'll see all of those videos here on YouTube. And if you're not following me on Instagram, you need to check me out over there as well. Okay, thank you for watching.